Yeah, I need to take a mental health day. I had some really important stuff come up that I need to take care of, an appointment.
Well, that's a lot of days off for you. 38.
Oh, how many have I taken off? 38?
Yeah.
Is that a lot?
Yeah.
Like compared to my coworkers, is that a lot?
Astronomically more.
Even Dave?
Significantly more than Dave.
Huh.
So.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, well, see you tomorrow then. PTO days are a lot like dollars. It seems like you always have way more than you thought or not nearly enough at all. And somehow it's a surprise either way. But what if I told you you could use YNAB, a budgeting app, to budget your PTO days just like you budget your dollars? Well, it's true. Kind of an off-label use, like celebrities using hemorrhoid cream for their under-eye bags, but a little less weird. Listen, I'm not judging, that's just super not what it's for. Seriously though, a recent study found that 55% of Americans don't use all of their paid time off. That's kind of like refusing to collect part of your paycheck. Nope. Let's learn how to give every day off a job just like we give every dollar a job. Shall we? So, step 1, start a new PTO budget. Literally just log into YNAB, open your existing budget, click on your email in the corner to drop down the menu, click new budget and give it whatever snazzy name you want. PTO, yeah. I love time off. Budget name ideas. Me time. Freedom, a do what I want days, and microdosing retirement. Step 2, add an Unlinked account to your budget and add your PTO days as the balance. So I'm gonna click Unlinked, I guess make it a checking. Could be cash. You can nickname the budget PTO days left. Let's say I have 15 PTO days and click next. When we hop back to the budget, you'll see those 15 PTO days show up in your ready to assign category at the top of your budget. If your job has a system where you accrue time off every quarter or every 2 quarters, you can actually set a scheduled transaction to add those PTO days to your budget when you earn them. And fun fact, you can even turn on the running balance to see how much will add up before the next trip you want to plan. To do that, click on the View button next to the search bar in the account register and check the box to the left of Show Running Balance in the pop-up menu. Step 3, now this is where the magic happens. It's not really magic though, it's actually just a calendar. I'm gonna make categories for an upcoming vacation and a few weekends away I have planned, and then I'm going to assign the right amount of days for each category. Then I'll look at upcoming holidays, and I think I'll add maybe a day or 2 before or after, because who doesn't love an extra long holiday weekend? So I've added a day for skiing, we got our spring break trip, anniversary getaway, even a camping weekend. So I'm just assigning my days here. That looks pretty good. And well, what do we have here? More days? That's right, I actually have more PTO left than I even thought. But let's see, looking at my travel category in my actual budget, it's telling me we're not gonna be taking any more trips this year. Pretty empty, but that's okay because I can always take my birthday off, and maybe I'll schedule a few mental health days. Everyone needs 1 or 2 of those, or like 38. Still have days left. One of my best friends is having her first baby in February, so maybe I just carve out a couple days for that too. Just be a helping hand for baby. And there we have it. 0 days left, but a whole year of stuff to look forward to, with plenty of time for rest built in too. Budgeting your time off makes sure you have time for the rest you need for yourself, important life events coming up, and plenty of time for some guilt-free fun. So please go ahead and take your PTO, you've earned it. And if you have any other off-label YNAB uses, go ahead and leave them in the comments below because we always love to hear about a good YNAB hack. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have an appointment that I just can't miss. So I've heard that some of you have a hard time taking off all your PTO days. PTO days.